In this video, we are discussing about illusion photo editing. First of all, you have to pick an image. Make sure that the background of the image you choose has been removed earlier. Then you have to make the image black and white. For that, you can use Pixlr using the first link in the description of this video. Go to the Pixlr and select the image. Then go to the Effects and select Colorize tab. There you have to set white as color 1. After that, increase the contrast of the image. Now you can save the image in PNG format. As the second step, you have to go to the Illusion Diffusion HQ using the second link in the description of this video. Then drag and drop the black and white image that you produced. Set the strength of the image as 1.05. Now you can select the environment of the image using this area. After that, click the button Run. You might have to click this button several times to start the process. Later, the image will be added to the queue of processing. Now you can see the illusion photo. Finally, you can click the button Download and download the final output.